Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke State Cancer Society of Meghalaya kajing trailang bat katanat oncology jong ke Civil Hospital Shillong kila rakhi ya ke National Cancer Survivors Day mentakasngi shitarik ujleo arjar arpulai ha DAE Civil Hospital Cancer Wing Civil Hospital Shillong. Hagani ka sngi kiba yo ya ke Jingpang Henry kibala Koit naka kilawan banya shimbentalang bat ya tho ya gelenti ya jongki nado ka sngi baki tip baki don ya ke Jingpang hado bakin da yo ya ke jingkot jingkia ka bapura. Kini kibala Koit na ke Jingpang kila ai Mynsiem ru iki waipat kibadon ya ke Jingpang bat ya baro bakim dai ban do jingkermen Henry ban long kiba shlor banya kun persya ya ke Jingpang. Kila kinturu bagi day bandi Dawai Tista bat ngap ya ka ai ka bagi doktor ki ong bat ka bakam don kam susu ka day ban kenmau ya Blei lingba ki Duwai kini kin day ka lat bakin job ya ka Jingpang. Hagani ka sngilawan ban sakilang da Usampat Kumar Principal Secretary jong ka tenat ka Koit ka khia ka Dr. A Maulong Head Radiation Oncology Civil Hospital Shillong ki officer na ka tenat ka Koit ka khia Kiba hayeng hasam jong kiba lakot naga Jingpang bat kiway.
In the East Khasi Hills, we are going to screen all the high risk and low, medium risk patients. High risk means, so those some of you all aware. In fact, we have done one. In fact, our Dr. Langsday has done one population-based cancer registry. It shows only 16% of you were aware before you got cancer that there is a mechanism to screen for cancer. So I think screening of cancer is very important, so that at a very early stage, if we can detect, we can actually save basically 80% of the cases can be cured.
Payastang ati pagi ke Jingpang, ngalat tu, lalu ngat mental physical stress nya, ngai kikun jangan berak nomor dan bakal sedang lockdown hatu sini, tidak tak kikun angut kiong yang ngai, buat cuti nama balai kini ke Jingpang, Blei PY ke Jingpang, buat cuti tiwan si doktor ramlan sebelum doktor berdaya tapi aku kata mengalai kiong ke Jingpang. Semua di dokter siang langsung yang kita bagi kun Mynsiem dengan nis bangla yo dengan Jingpang Mynsiem bi bang bagi nutian di Jingpang kalau nol lagi jumlah benda Jingpang mengala dah kata rapori hak tak siap halai tak lagi yang do Jingpang juga IT Blei
na da yana la diagnosis dengan Jingpang Mynsiem ajar apa na itu kapor di lap yang Jingpang dan alik ikan do doktor lemen doktor lemen dari orang yang Blei banting kalau nari ke Jingpang nang Jingpang ayo berempat diagnosis sampai ke Jingpang nang ada bentuk senang harga raja hendak di Dawai jam ada macam sistem kilap bak ada ke throat cancer để bộ kiểm tra khám rõ ổ lagi yang apa dan sedang menilai dari radiation berai Julai nyok apa trek berai Julai dan kau kut September berai kenal trek kapor mengenai dengan radiation dengan sembang so stone of you ban ini wamlang ini ndak dapat radiation ski na sembang kadang ke Jingirap alian ban ini asam nela asam maju
dan Jingpang ini duduk Mynsiem Blei ban Duwai Blei kepat Blei dan I go bersama boleh ni menjual partisi ya ni menjualkan.
Actually, I was diagnosed with cancer in the year 2008. The major cause of my cancer, which I was detected, is because of the use of tobacco. I have no doubt whatsoever that because I use this smokeless tobacco, so much so that within 2 years of using this as smokeless tobacco, I was diagnosed with cancer. That time Dr. Maolong was also there, and Dr. Judita was there. When I was first diagnosed with this disease, initially I was also worried, but within no time, I thought that it is no time to worry about myself. It is time to fight back. And for a moment, I never thought that I will survive or I will die. I only thought of fighting back. And I did throughout the course of my treatment. I did fight back. And within 3-4 months, I was successfully treated by Dr. Maolong and Dr. Judita and all the oncology team here. I didn't go to Bangalore, I didn't go to Delhi. But one input I got from Dr. from Negrins is that whether I go to Delhi or to Mumbai, the treatment is the same. I have no time to waste. I should straight away go for treatment. That really encouraged me, and that is why I didn't ask to be sent to Mumbai or Delhi.
It was a tough time when I was diagnosed with this cancer. I went through a lot of stress, a lot of pain where I had lost a hope. During that time, I went to doctor, of course Dr. Anisha, and she was there, always with me, supporting, no matter whatever was the condition. Even the staff, they were so polite. At times, I got scolding from her also. There was a case when she even pulled my ears. Thank you, doctor, for being there, for giving us the second life. And of course, not to forget the daycare, who were always there with a smile on the face, in spite of their tireless working. I've seen them working from 7 o'clock in the morning till 8, 9 o'clock without taking anything, without their foods and all. It is because of them only, it is because of the doctors and the team, the oncology team, that we are here. We are here with the second life. And
Kecil kepasukan, mengandung persen. But beautiful life doesn't come like that. It is a result of daily prayer, humility, sacrifice, and love. Tiawal macam berkat orang yo yang kecil kau dikiak ke Bapura. Orang yo yang kecil keman yang kecil jangan. Hendak yang berkat bagdal kecil keman kadang kam yang kecil Duwai kapaman kekhidmat. Kadang kam yang kecil kapam sarang kapam somek. Kadang kam yang kecil kapag Blei pandan lagi pansya kita melengke dan benda demi. Kadang kam yang kecil banyak iwe.